mine should be fine right now. Oh, sorry. XRP is going. It is going up. Nice. 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 XLM is going up. XRP is going up. Ether is chilling the fuck out. Nice. Yeah, bro, it's fucking shooting. Let's fucking go. I'm gonna add to my XLM position. Okay, where's set my stop loss? It seems it doesn't even want to drop. Maybe the USDT. Oh yeah, it's pumping. The Bitcoin dominance is dumping, making XLM to BTC to pump. Yeah, there's a massive support in this region where the last pump happened. 20165. I'm gonna set my stop loss to 201. Maybe add a little smaller position. If it triggers my stop loss, I'm gonna add another position. But it looks bullish. Usually when XLM versus Bitcoin is starting to pump. It doesn't stop. Like here, it just doesn't stop. Even though this shit is pumping, the Bitcoin dominance is dropping and dropping really slowly, but it makes a huge difference in these Bitcoin charts. Like each of this candle is just price movement of one little Satoshi. So you can just not even watch your positions because you know it won't drop. The price moves like, where the fuck is if this moves one Satoshi down, then XLM is dumping. It moves If it moves two Satoshis down, then it's dumping even harder, and it will keep dumping. You see, it spawned in, and this is dumping also. But as soon as you see two dots, so it's gonna keep going down. It's gonna touch the 201.77 and bounce from it. Only thing you need to see is this shit versus Bitcoin to have a green wick. You see green wick, and that means my position is going up. So if you're trading your pairs, like something that has a Bitcoin pair is really good because you can see how it moves instantly. Like if it does a triple fucking Satoshi move, then it's a dip like this, or two Satoshi. If it stays stagnant, then all that matters is this pumping. But you see, it stays stagnant. This shit is pumping in USDT dominance, and XLM price isn't dropping because the Bitcoin part is staying still. And it just pumped a little bit up because Bitcoin dominance dropped. So even if this pumps, it drains the fucking Bitcoin down, but the Bitcoin pairs and alts are pumping. Oh, yo, Ether's also dumping. This could also be an indicator that it's high or low. Low or high. Because it just wicked above these candlesticks, but it didn't close at this point. So it's 19 minutes yet to see what this shit is going to do. I love XLM and XRP. They're such a cool crypto to watch on these Bitcoin charts. You can easily predict the next move it's gonna make. When it breaks out, it does not fake out too much. It always pumps and then it corrects itself. In this case, if XRP BTC, every 15-minute chart that's closing bullish, it opens up and keeps pushing up the price until it's suppressed or until red candles spawn in Bitcoin chart. It's super easy to trade these altcoins. You just need to be patient and you need to wait for the confirmation on Bitcoin chart for the bullish candles to appear. And even if you open your long here and you don't close it, and the next time when it dips below this place, it's gonna create a higher low. Yeah, streaming on YouTube is like if I'm using a SoundCloud, and if I use SoundCloud, then I'm from Europe, and if I'm from Europe, I don't have the songs that you have in America. Some of those songs are copyrighted in America. I don't know why, but yeah, it is what it is. I put on some non-copyright music, so shouldn't be banned. But the ban works like if you once you stop the music or press the next playlist, then it just keeps on going. ETH is dropping, but it made a higher low. If Bitcoin dominance starts dropping like a knife, alts will fucking explode. These XRP or these Bitcoin pairs are going berserk then. See, it's again spawns in a red Satoshi. XLM is dumping. This is a green Satoshi, this is a red Satoshi. But if this fucking chart moves from here to here, then this is like a 5% move in XLM. Okay, maybe not 5%, but like yeah, it's a 5% move. Yeah. Hell fucking yeah. For spot, uh, uh, bro, I don't know. Everything has pumped, but alt season is not here, so yeah, bag of dicks works. You just buy anything. Anything works, I think. Yeah, you see, XRP opened a bullish candle above the. This goes far away, but yeah, it closed above it. Just retested, did not fail, and it's keep pumping. It's keep going, and this one's also keeping on going. And if this shit falls over, holy fuck, there will be a fucking 10 to 20% bump in XLM and XRP in the half an hour, or like something like that. This is really bullish because if it's gonna keep on pumping, if it closes above this shit, it's just gonna keep on going till yeah, there's thin air above this fib, the one fib. But it's kind of weak also down to retest, or it's just gonna get stuck here like until it breaks out. I mean that works also. If I had a lot of money, I would buy some XRP also because it's still cheap. It's just a buck 12. XRP is still cheap. Maybe buy some low market cap coins also, like a few low market cap coins that are going to do well, like AI tokens. type AI tokens, find the coin market cap, and you can see all the ICP is a good investment. Also, I was buying it at $5, $4 ish near. Those are big market cap. 4 billion, bit tensor is 3 billion. Render is also good, it's 3 billion. I think render can go 10x from here. That's like 36 billion market cap. Should be good for render. All the AI coins are really good. If you want something better, like from low market caps, Golem, it's 352. I think it can reach 3 billion market cap. That would be 10x from here. You should just watch the market cap. Like all these coins, like Casper and Zeliqua and IQ, these fucking really small market caps, but they just wick like this. And oh shit, where is it? You need to, as soon as you see the 10x, you need to take profit, because if you don't take profit, they're gonna just drop instantly. Like here, it pumped and it just fucking dumped. They're like pump and dump tokens. All these vibrate, GNS, holy XRPs climbing in the charts, SLP, all these shitcoins. They're gonna do 10, 20, 30 X's because they have a really small market cap, and when Bitcoin reaches like 150k, if it goes to 250 or 300k, I don't know. But yeah, imagine what will happen to your 200 million altcoin that is on like Binance exchange when fucking Bitcoin dominance drops like below 30%. It's going to explode everything, every altcoin. I mean, I just love to trade XLM because I understand it. I don't know about other coins. XLM and XRP is easily understandable for me. I can swing trade this token really easily, and without any liquidations or anything. You can, if you want to trade it, you can just trade XLM and it should be easy for you if you watch the Bitcoin chart, XLM to Bitcoin. Once the Bitcoin dominance is dropping, you can understand, and you need to instantly watch the Bitcoin dominance charts, and you need to compare your altcoin to Bitcoin, because if you watch the USDT chart, it's not gonna show you the real breakout. It can be easy a fake out also, but you can, on this, in this coin, you can easily spot where it's a fake out or not, because it moves really slowly, and when it moves fast, it moves fast. And XLM and XRP are going to be really good this bull run, and if you keep on holding them till 2030, I think you're gonna be really fucking good position. It's a nice thing to have. When you see the XRP at $10, you should take profits, and like, I don't know, as much as you want, but I'm gonna take like 30 to 40% off of my spot bag, and I'm gonna ride everything else because I don't need money. I have everything I need. No, bro, nothing goes up in forever. You see Bitcoin, you see this small pump. It's only like these three small dots. These two dots are the reason why altcoins are exploding. Bitcoin is dropping. Bitcoin can't just go up. It needs to drop, and it does these drops also. Everyone thinks that Bitcoin is going up forever, but it will go up forever, but it needs to do these things also. 7% dip, in 2 days. Okay, one and a half day. Just like this shit, it keeps on oh shit, it keeps on falling down, but it when when the Bitcoin will reach 150k, this shit will go fucking up. You'll need to scroll like this to see where it's going. It's insane. See how this is the bear market mostly. When this shit drops, it's bull market, bear market, bull market, bear market, bull market, bear market, bull market, bear market, bull market, bear market. And this was January, no, October. Yeah, this is January. This is 2 years ago. It started dropping. 700 days. It's been okay. 686 days. It's been dropping down only, and it did minus 53%. There's a trend line here that keeps on going, and I think when this shit, the USDT, will dip below this place where the fucking big support is. If it dips below it, it's gonna crash till 3%. Yeah, 3% would be good, and those 3% are the place where Bitcoin will reach its peak, the 150k. So this was like the last. Okay, here it drops, or it pumps. Bitcoin is dropping, then this shit dumps. Bitcoin is pumping, and yeah, it's correlated to Bitcoin, so it will pop back up like to 10% easily. I think everybody will take profits. Everyone and their mom will take profits. Only thing I'm scared about is this shit doing the 4.6% pump. That would be scary. That's 72k Bitcoin from here. 75 to 77k. Scary shit. Yeah, but it will stop at one point. America will buy, they said, fucking 10% of the Bitcoin. That's a lot of fucking Bitcoin. Imagine what is going to happen when to USDT when they buy fucking 10% of Bitcoin. It's gonna fall like a knife. And if this shit falls like a knife, this shit will pump like a knife. I don't know what's. I mean, the best thing you can do in your life, and this isn't bullshit, is just to buy Ether, Bitcoin, and some really good altcoins like XRP and like Solana the next time it drops. I don't know about Solana, to be honest, but Bitcoin is your number one priority. You need to just forget about the house and forget about the car and just invest in Bitcoin. The next bear market it will change your life forever because yeah, bro, I think Bitcoin is going to 1 million. I don't think that is going. It's gonna go. It doesn't give a fuck what I think. Like 200k is just 160% away. Going from $1 to $69,000, it's 69,000x. But going from 100k to 1 million is just 10x. Bro, look at the monthly candles on Bitcoin. This thing only shows that we're not far from prices that are in front of us. Like, look at this. it's trillions even, and it's not far. So if you buy Bitcoin here in 2021, if you buy here, you need to buy Bitcoin everywhere. In 4 years, you're going to be a millionaire. I can just see this coming true. Holy shit. Yeah, this is like the next bull market, and then it's going to drop again, like 40%, and then it's going berserk to millions. It's just an infinity money printer. Yeah, I think I'm going to do the same shit. I'm gonna buy a nice car, not too expensive. But once the bear market comes, I will just fucking sell it and I buy fucking 1,000 euros worth Golf 4 or something, and I'm gonna drive with that shit again. No point of having a car if you. I rather have a Bitcoin than a car, to be honest. I'm still young. I'm 20, 27, but yeah, I'm sad that I came into bull market when it was only like here, like 2020. If I was in the first bull market or the second bull market, I would be making a lot more money than I was making here and here. But I'm glad I went in at least here, still early. We're in front of everybody. Super easy money. Oh, I have a house. My when my grandma passed away, I got a house as a gift from her. So yeah, I have everything. I have a car. I have a house. Um, I have everything I need. I have a PC that's strong. But I'm thinking about selling the house on next bull market or renting it to someone so I can invest in Bitcoin. Because if I can sell my house for 300k and buy a Bitcoin, like 2 or 3 Bitcoins, I think I will be able to buy 700 houses in next 8 years. So yeah, crypto is your best decision. Nah, bro, you just need a Bitcoin. That's it. Everything will come after that. Like right now, you need altcoins, not Bitcoin. But you need the Bitcoin once this shit happens, when it dips into the next bear market. To be honest, from this was the 2019 peak, and it dropped only 27% above the last all-time high. So that should mean that the next bear market Bitcoin is going to cost around 82k for each Bitcoin. Maybe it will dip a little bit lower, but 82k, I think if it goes to 150 or 250k, that's quite possible because it dropped only 74%, and each time the Bitcoin bull market happens, it drops lower and lower percentages. Like, 73%. No, about the same. But if fucking America buys 10% of the Bitcoin, it means that it won't drop 70%. It will just drop like 60%, and then it's gonna keep on going, or even less than 60, like 55%. So if we see 150k Bitcoin this bull market, I think we can forget about something cheaper like 90k Bitcoin in forever. So yeah, be ready to have 92k Bitcoin in next bear market. That's all I can say. No, it will stop me out. No. My stop loss is here on 201. It's gonna trigger because Bitcoin is pumping, or what the fuck is happening? Or it's just grabbing liquidity. Yeah, these people that long here at the top, you should never do that because they always grab liquidity. The late longers always get punished. It's if it's not like something like, oh my god. Yeah, if it's not somewhere like here. #201, yeah. Or maybe it's not going to hit it. I hope it's not gonna hit it. Yeah, target hit is always shorting. I don't know what you mean by ordinals and runes. I'm gonna go small. Beer back. fucking bitch. Yeah, look how fucking market makers fuck you up. They come, take every single stop loss they see on their exchange, and they just send it higher. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Man, I wish Pepe moved up. It's gonna do it eventually. Yeah, it held like a king. The 0618. Retested it few times, didn't even touch it here and went up. And now it's testing the next fib. And once the next fib is tested, once it bounces through, it's gonna do a crabby and then it's gonna shoot up to next one. Then I'm gonna stop here. And if it goes further, then it's gonna break out from the triangle and it's going to be explosive. And I have like $300 or something. Yeah, $300 position. It should be really fucking good if it breaks 2.5. Oh shit. Holy shit. It's gonna print money, bro. Like, even if it goes to 2.5, that's like 17% times 7. For, I don't know, 119. 10x. 3k position that would be. Yeah, 300 times 10. Easy 3k. But if it fakes out, then it's gonna be rough. No, it's an NFT. Meme tokens. Oh shit. $600 million. Bro, look at the chart. Holy fuck, last 7 days it just fucking 5x. Nice. Bro, 2k. Holy shit. It's not even popular right now. But I don't have any other exchanges or accounts on other exchanges, so I don't usually like those little micro cap meme coins. I know they could 100 and 1000x, but I'd rather buy like stuff like XRP and XLM and other small cap coins that could eventually be an infinity number. Yeah, this is your day because all the small caps are pumping. Yeah, you should keep on holding them because if they go mainstream, dude, they're going to holy fuck, they're gonna 1000x. Yeah, I know. There's a lot of tokens that not are Binance, but those tokens that go to Binance usually pump hard as fuck. So even those, if even if those ordinals get posted on Binance, they're gonna 1000x. Yeah, that's easy. Those small caps. Pepe is dumping hard. But it's all because this bitch is fucking doesn't give up. It just doesn't give up. It always wants to fake people out, pump, fake out. Fuck it. Fucking gay ass chart. It's my market maker who does this shit. He just sells like 100 Bitcoin at a time and drops the price, and if he sells 100k then this shit just pumping up. And if this shit dumps because he sold here, he's just going to buy right here and save it and it'll go up. Fucking stupid. Yeah, I'm not into anything that's not on Binance. I'm just too lazy. I could farm airdrops and other shit, but nah, I don't feel like doing it. It's bad that they didn't test this resistance. This bitch needs to die. It's tilting me. What peanut is going? Yeah, it made a higher, higher high on 1 minute time frame. But it's scary that it made. Oh no, it's okay. Peanut could be a really big gamble, but if Crypto.com say that they're gonna post it, it's gonna add another few $1 billion to the market cap. And peanut, it seems as it loves to move 70% in just 6 hours. Fucking hell. 70%, imagine you go on 200x and oh my fucking god. Holy fuck. That would be so much money, like $5, 200x on peanut. And it does 78%. Damn. And if it's going to do 75x, I think it's gonna do even more. Because if you if this is a bull flag, then a move from here to here would put peanut at around $13. That's a 10x from no 8x from here. 8.5x. Yeah, 8.2. I mean, Elon Musk is I just put a fucking non-copyright music because my account is getting striked with fucking copyright music. Oh yeah, this bitch is going. It's gonna bleed out. And Bitcoin dominance is climbing up also. Oh no, it's not. It's dumping. So that means XLM, XRP are pumping. Even though this motherfucker is pumping. I don't understand this shit. I mean, I understand it, but it's so fucking confusing. This pumps, Bitcoin dumps, and XRP pumps. Either this shit needs to die or this shit needs to die. Then we're good. Oh yeah, Bitcoin dominance spiked down really hard. Money is going to these types of things that are correlated with fucking Bitcoin. I mean, Ponky, every single altcoin will pump after Solana moves. The Solana tokens move after Solana pumps. So when the money from Solana is going elsewhere, it's going into Solana memes. Ponky is really fucking volatile. It moves heavily. Like these are 1% 15-minute candles. And Ponky is really a new token, so it's quite hard to trade because of the liquidity. Binance is market maker for Ponky because yeah, Ponky went from no, not this shirt. Ponky went from 1 cent. Yeah, 1 cent was the cheapest price to 50 cents, even more. This was the first top 11 cents. It did 115x. Okay, 1000x. Yeah, 10,000x. Well, not 1000x, but 10x. 1000% is 10x. Then it dropped, it bumped, and then it dropped, it bumped, and it dropped, and it bumped. So yeah, that's fucking a lot. It did 50x, 4,600%. People who held it from here and didn't sell here are still holding. But you see, it pumps, it dumps, and it pumps and it dumps, and it pumps and it dumps, and so yeah, it's pumping, or it's it dumped, it pumped, and it's going to dump eventually. I'm not I'm not really on spot. Yeah, this is a good thing because I don't care what happens on spot. So, and if I compare it, I think it can reach Shiba's market cap because Shiba is it's just retarded shitcoin, and it went to 14 bucks, and so that would be $26 Ponky. And $26 Ponky from here is... Holy shit, this chart seems so small. It's 42x from here. All it needs is just to be launched on Binance Spot. It's not in Spot yet, it's in features only. But it's scary to trade because these moves are really fucking hard. 10% move just to bounce. I mean, on 5x it shouldn't be as much, it's a 50% drop from your account, but there's a trend line here on Binance chart, and it can easily get hit. So if it pumps, it can just fake you out and do something like this. Yeah. Yeah, Ether BTC will go fucking berserk. But you don't need to watch Ether BTC, you can just watch Dominance. Yeah, look at what the fuck is Ether going to do to Bitcoin. It's gonna rip its asshole. It won't get higher than this, but... Oh, I don't have the full chart. Yeah, you see, Ether never outperforms Bitcoin. Ether is always weaker than Bitcoin, so it's at 12% right now. I don't think it's going past 18%, but a 7% move should take it to like 7k. If Ether grows outside of this, okay, then we're gonna see Ether like 20-30k. But what if... I think Ether is really good till 7k, then it's just a gamble after 6-7k. My bitch is bleeding out. It's holding on. Oh shit. It's rejected. I think money is going to flow into alt slowly from Bitcoin. Yeah, this is really good. ETH is going to bleed out slowly, but it's going to make a higher high, a higher low. Yeah, Ether is getting bought up in 15-minute candle, and I think, oh no, it just dumped, but it's getting bought back up. Yeah, I can still just touch this trend line also at 3.5, 3.05. Bitch. Or maybe it just doesn't, but this is a lower high also, or higher low. This is bullish. If candlestick falls and it's getting bought back up, it's good indicator that buyers are stepping in. And maybe Bitcoin did a higher low again. So many fake outs. It farted again and blew back to make a higher low. And this pitch is dying right now, but it made a higher low, higher high in small time frame. That's bad because it's going to come back down a bit and then it's gonna make a higher high again. And if it doesn't break this shit, then it's gonna fall. Not going past this 4.37 mark will indicate that crypto is still bullish. But pepe is holding on even though the ETH is dropping. Bro, this Tao is milking my balance. It needs to bounce. It didn't hit my entry. Barely. Like, I should have just, yeah, 1%. Maybe hit somewhere here. Further. So yeah, if you see Tau below like 470 at 460 or 450, it's a really fucking good buy. Really, really good buy. I mean, Bitcoin is just going to keep on doing the sideways action for sure. They did a higher high. So maybe this shit will fall off. I hope so. I really fucking hope so. Oh yeah, because this was higher also and it didn't even peak, didn't even breach it. Yeah, this is good. Now I need to see if it does a lower, higher low. If it does a lower low, it's all fucking good. Because it's gonna keep dropping and this move from here to here is like 94k Bitcoin. I think they just doesn't want to send it today because it's weekend and yeah, retail trading. Yeah, I can't fucking wait for this to happen. This fucking shit below 3%. Holy fuck. But this is a higher high also, higher low and a higher high. It's so confusing. It does the opposite of what you think is going to happen. And once it's keep on falling and you wait for it to like stop, it doesn't stop. It just goes. And if you put your lungs in, then it fucking stops and it goes backwards. Like, market makers are trolling us forever and ever. Bro, why do I feel so fucking tired? Maybe because it's boring me out. Mr. Boring Bitcoin. Oh, I don't have any RWA tokens. I have like 50 tokens and 40 of them are like fucking trash tokens that are just random. I only know like 10 or 15 tokens that are good for me. Like, but it doesn't really matter what token you pick. Everything is going to pump. Maybe maybe some tokens will do 5x, maybe some tokens do 10x, 15x. Tokens that are not on Binance may do 100x easily. But yeah, everything is going to pump when dominance drops. We just need to wait for it to happen. And it won't take long because once it starts dropping, it's going to keep on fucking falling. I hate this fucking range. It's kinda already falling, but you need to confirm this making a lower and a lower low macro. macro. Now look how steep it is. You think it's not going to drop? It's like overextended to the fucking maximum. But the thing is, Bitcoin dominance can drop really quick, and even if Bitcoin dominance is dropping, this shit will drop too, and money will flow still into Bitcoin also, because even it's like if Bitcoin dominance is 60% and this motherfucker is falling, 60% of this motherfucker that fell is going to Bitcoin. And if this shit falls to 32% or like, no, it won't do it, 36, like 37%, maybe even more, 40%. If it falls to 40% and this motherfucker is falling, still 40% of this motherfucker, that USDT, will flow into Bitcoin. So that would be, if Bitcoin moves like to 100k now, 104k is the top, like top next top, before this shit happens again, the sideways action. Or I think that it will hit 100k and it will do a sharp rejection, like from 100k. How much is it? 104k. It's like, yeah, 10% drop from 100k. It's going to have it. I know it will. Maybe it happens now also. Who knows? Nobody can predict the future. That would be scary if Bitcoin drops now. I'm fucking hitting this close all positions button, then it falls like a knife. I'm not holding on to my positions anymore then. The only thing I'm scared about is that happening at the night when I'm asleep. I should set my stop losses for my tokens also, like for XRP. I would not want to miss on plus 1k. All I want is for pepe to break out now, so I'm safe in my position. If it makes the fucking move above this place, I'm feeling good. I don't know if I will close the position. I think I'm not going to close it because I feel like pepe is going much higher than this, because it just got listed on Robinhood and all the major exchanges, and on Binance it got listed like a really long time ago. But pepe is one of my biggest bags right now, because it's just done like so many X's. I can't even fucking chart it. Bro, is 1 hour chart and 1 day. Yeah, it's massive. $40x from the bottom. I don't know, man. Maybe I should just close my position to like half, because if it dips really hard, then I'm kind of fucked a bit. I'm gonna get stuck holding it. Okay, what did it do here? So 1 day Dump, pump, dump, and dump. I dumped, pumped higher, dumped, and got stuck in this range. Oh boy, how much percent this was? 62% correction. But I did 10x. 2x. How much it dipped from the top? I mean, it went through a 28% correction, that's half. It did 10x and did fucking 60% dip. But it did much less in here. Yeah, 45%. Bruh, it's so scary. Bruh, 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 bruh. Only good thing I see here is that these candlesticks are getting bought up. But they are getting sold up also in here. So it's kind of range where you trade until it goes up again. I mean, it's trying its best. Candlesticks are getting bought up also. Alt season isn't even here yet. Maybe it's starting now, but maybe it just started here, but we don't even see it happening because these things happen. Like it took only 45 minutes to do this fucking insane pump. 17 November. 1% pump was holy fucking dumb. I know it was the day. Yeah, this was the dump when it pumped. 3:30, right? Yeah, 2 a.m. it started. But this is a different time. This is 2 hours behind of my clock. Yeah. This is what happens when that motherfucker is pumping. it's the same. ETH BTC is the same as ETH dominance almost. No, it's not. It's a bit different. But this is a place that it can go the lowest, I think. Yeah, it got rejected at 236. I mean, it's on free fall right now. There's a lot to go before it hits the fucking ground, but I don't know if the Bitcoin dominance keep on falling. Ether will just bounce from there. Yeah, Pepe did another higher high. That's good. It's like XRP chart, but XRP chart is much scarier. Like you see it almost went lower than it went from here to here. Like this is really low. It almost touched the lowest point it ever went to. But it broke out, and it broke out fast. It's will be the same with Ether. It will fake, and once it faked all everybody, it's just going to spawn in one candle, and that's going to spark the bull run. Like one candle, one dip, and then let's fucking go. Yeah, it's doing the same thing as XRP did. It just keeps going lower and lower and lower, and in, when the time is right, it tried to break out here, but it got rejected, same as XRP did a lot of times. But XRP is highly volatile. If it moves, it does this 1 wick into the air, and that wick is like really fucking big. Ether has a really big market cap, so it needs to have a lot of money flowing into it, so it can do these big wicks, and 3% wick, 6% wick is really big for Ether's market cap. Yeah, look, daily went below. If it starts pumping now, it will flip bullish. Once it gets above this place, it will go with it, and you will see when the ether pump really starts. You can do it also on 1 hour. Oh shit. You see, it's trying to break it out, but it can't. It's just hitting the brick wall. Same as here. When it went the same as it's going here. It went lower and lower and lower and lower and lower until it reached the point of no return, and it just flipped bullish, spawned in one candle. It tested the EMA 100%. It's a 1 hour chart. It does this really fast. It waits for nobody. You need to like monitor 5-minute candles and look for these moving averages to cross, and when they cross you can enter your long position with small x. And yeah, if this happens to ether again, then we're all good. Just needs to bounce really fast. It's kind of coiling up to do this, but it may take a little while longer for it to actually break because it's doing it's a low into a higher low into a fake out into a higher low still, and this is the second higher low. Either it does break down now and make another higher low on the macro time frame, or it's just going to keep on fucking falling. Yeah, you see, it's kind of coiling up to do another pump. This candlestick was really big because it got bought up really fast. But the EMAs are good. It just needs to do one pump, close major candle above this shit, and it's ready. And Litecoin. Litecoin seems good. I don't know. I don't know really. It went below EMA in 15 minutes, but it still didn't hit the 1 hour. It may be that it can go lower to hit this on 1 hour and then bounce off from it. Like if this EMA just keeps, it's going to keep moving up, but it needs for this shit to go like this and penetrate this shit, so this shit moves, and then it's just going to do a higher high, and then it's just going to go lower, reach for the EMA and make another high. It's hard to say because there's a lot of higher lows here, and even if he falls over and does like a fucking drop, come on, fuck off. Even if he does a drop, this is still higher high, higher low. I mean. This is crypto, it can just do whatever the fuck it wants, so that would be like this for moving average. Like this. I mean, it depends on how much leverage you're holding. If you hold like 5x Litecoin, then I mean it should be fine. If you have some cash for it when it dips below and touches this trend line, that you can not get liquidated. But I mean, it's unpredictable. You cannot predict what this motherfucking USDT does. Like, see, it just made a higher high, dipped down, and it said, "Fuck it, I'm gonna go higher." And Bitcoin is dipping again, but how Can it dip? Everywhere there's a trend going on. Oh, I just drew up this shit. I know. Yeah, I drew this, and I know, fuck it. I'm retarded. I mean, it's really boring today to trade because this fucking shit is not moving. Weekends are fucking boring. Yeah, today is the day for small cap altcoins or meme coins that's whiff and shit like that. It's just a boring day today. Nothing really happening. Fucking boring. I would say it's boring because it's Bitcoin hasn't even touched its trend line, or I touched it on 1 hour. Did it touch it at 4 hours? Yeah, it did. But you see how far is this candle? It's on 79,000. That would be 12% dip just to touch it. But I doubt it's going to touch it because I mean, maybe it will. But maybe it won't fall, it's just going to go sideways until it touches it. Like, as soon, like, as fucking soon in it touched this motherfucker, it went straight up. It got bought back up, it touched it, opened next candle, and fucking send it. 8 hours, 16. It took few days, but it went. That's what's going to happen to Bitcoin now, I think. Either it goes sideways until it touches it and then it bounces off, or I don't know. But it's going to be boring few days, I think. Or maybe just going to fucking send it as soon as Monday comes. Nobody knows. Nobody fucking knows. Pepe did a higher low on 3-minute chart. It bounced off. Oh my god. It bounced off this first thing. Yeah, it's just boring. I think once the evening comes, it's now 5. It's still like 7 hours till the daily close. We're gonna see a pump on Bitcoin. A little bouncy bounce. But Monday will fill this EMA gap on Friday that we did. Or CME. I doubt this shit is going to close below. It's just heating it, kissing the tip of it. So it doesn't let it to go past through. Maybe it can just dip down and get bought back up. But that's a higher low in 1 hour time frame also. This was the first low, the second low, and you see it bounced off, it got both back up, it closed. Yeah, it opened the next candle, it dipped into this shit again. And this was higher a bit, I think. Yeah, it dipped into this shit and then it just did a bounce off it. Maybe something similar is going to happen now, that it's just gonna flip bullish and start pumping. Because this is looking bearish and bullish at the same time. Multiple touch points, every single touch point that the moving average is getting bought back up. I think the CMA was also here, also touched also. But yeah, you see it's getting bought back up because this motherfucker is dying. Bitcoin dominance is pumping. It needs to hit this resistance line so we can see alts get some love also. Should be fine, I think. Living in the gangster's paradise. Motherfucking crypto. Oh, Pepe is moving up. Holy shit. Pump, little Pepe, pump.
media network. He can find you if you're a senator or governor.
Take me back, 'cause I wanna stay. best friend at 23. She left her body in Harvard above me. I saw no shadow, I looked around, searched every building and home that I found. I saw no shadow, but felt a glow. The warmth inside me, it kept me afloat. It felt like heaven had found my bones and gave me comfort when I feel alone. Now you're gone, I'm alone. You guess it's time to get better. Through the pain, I will go alone. If I fall, break my bones, I will scream even louder. 'Cause I'm not dying alone. I lost my best friend at 23. She left her body in Harvard above me. I lost my best friend at 23. I heard the heavens crying above me. They gained an angel, I lost a friend. I felt like dying again and again. I went through hell, stared at death, but I keep fighting with each living breath. I saw no way out from where I stood. Felt like the fire had burned me for good. Now you're gone, I'm alone. I guess it's time to get better. Through the pain, I will go alone. If I fall, break my bones, I will scream even louder. 'Cause I'm not dying alone. I lost my best friend.
Touch, don't speak. It's better when you let your body preach. Yeah, please don't tease. I like it when you're right on top of me. Go fast, go fast, go fast. I love it when you're out of breath, out of breath. You're so bad, so bad, so bad. You do it better than the best I've ever had. Oh, can you handle it? Yes, I can handle it. when you set the tone. I just can't forget it. Now I'm yours to own. I won't be a taker. It's not in my nature. I return the favor.
When the sky's filled with stars and the night is falling down, have a look, it's all around. There's no limits between us. I feel extraterrestrial tonight. We won't along, there's no killing light. I feel like I'm losing all my mind, but I'll be alright, yeah. La 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 la, I feel so la 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 la, up to the sky. La 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 la, get it. La 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 la, let's dance all night. We can hit the special waves. I feel it underneath my skin. Can we pretend that we belong and nothing could hold us? This rhythm inside will lead you to a place you've never been. So come with me in this atmosphere. Let's listen to the beat. La 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 la, I feel so la 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 la, up to the sky. La 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 la, get it. La 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 la, let's dance all night. Let the music, let the music to a place you've never been. Let the music, let the music to a place you've never been.
Second night I've dreamt about you, babe. I don't know how I should tell you, babe. That lately I get lost thinking about you. I admit that I can't be without you. Air that I breathe doesn't mean nothing if you're not here, giving me something I can hold on to. Baby, please don't leave. Give me life, I need you. Hold me close, I want to. Shut all the world down, just you and me. to. Baby, please don't leave. Give me life, I need you. Hold me close, I want to. Shut all the world out, just you and me. Used to make up battles in my mind. I didn't need to fight. Now I dream of reaching greater heights without feeling terrified.